Good morning, everyone. This is Kelly with Nauti Boat Detail. Today we are going to be working on this 30-foot Albermarle. This is an 03. It's a big girl from Florida, but she's been taken care of twice a year her whole life, so it's not going to be too terrible. Jackie is taping off at the grain because that is painted, and we don't want to hit that with our buffer, just the boot stripe. And this is my girl Serena. Say hey, Serena.
Hey.
All right, Serena, you're on the hot spot today. What's your favorite part of the job?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
Aww. You're getting a race.
Sweet.
Serena's been with us since March, and she's doing phenomenal. And right now she's getting rid of the little bit of hull stain between the white, the green stripe, and the black bottom paint.
I love hull stain.
I know, it's your favorite job, I believe. Everybody else is busy getting us set up. We're going to be attacking this girl. It's not too bad. Jackie's taping. Nice straight lines, I hope.
You know it, boss.
And then we've got Squid in the back.
Hi.
Say hey, Squid.
Hi.
You don't have your bun in your hair today.
I know.
I like seeing your long ponytail.
Thanks.
Alright, so Squid is getting rid of adhesive that was left behind from name removal. For this we use acetone before we wax. Is it coming off pretty good?
Yeah.
Alright,
Really well.
good. Thank goodness, because that was a lot left behind. Okay, we will check in with everyone at the end of the day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. We're currently on our lunch break after waxing a beautiful boat over there. And many hours later, we will get back to work. Now, you know what they say, Kelly?
What do they say, Jack?
Easy come, easy go.
Hey, Jack.
Hey, Kel.
Guess what time it is?
What time is it?
Okay, everyone, this beautiful 30-foot Albermarle is now complete. We are located at Point Lookout Marina. This is an awesome place to come for fuel. Super easy for you boaters on the Potomac River. And this boat has had a wax, a wash, cabin, and cockpit cleaning. And we are finishing drying of the hull right now, and we're going to be done. So now it's time for me to show you the boat.